Here we present you the WBL2412 laser pointed wheel balancing system with high accuracy and optimizing features developed by DaTo. The machine, as you can see, comes with an entire 24 inches display screen and a full control panel film. The control panel film that you can see employed in the 2412 is highly water resistant and oil resistant, so it has a high durability and is highly suitable for use with strong hands, the one that is used in tire changing shops. The machine comes with different types of alloy wheels that you can see here for changing the wheel weights on them. It also goes for static balancing and dynamic balancing. And most efficiently, it is employing 3D technology. You can see the measurement features, how quickly we can measure that. The laser pointer here, it shows the exact pinpoint, the exact position where the weight has to be added, which makes the accuracy of the wheel balancing to be very perfect. So this will be the most advanced solution for wheel balancing and highly reliable.
DaTo, the legendary leader of automotive equipments,